Alright guys, so today we're gonna make a cherry charm. You're gonna need, for this project, you're gonna need some green bands, some red bands. They can be any shade of red, but I just liked this. They're kind of metallic. And your loom's gonna have to look like this with the arrows pointing up. So to start, you put them on this to start. Go up to each side, like that. Then go into and come up and go through the middle, like that, and then put the band on, going across, like that, coming down towards that. So that's what your loom's gonna look like. Now you're gonna take this one single red and tie it, make a cap band, go around once or twice. Twice or 3 times to get it around. So then turn loom around and start looming it through the middle first, and do the whole middle row going up to get to there. Okay. Then you're gonna take your band, go around that band, go around, and then just take the bottom. This is a really simple project. It's not 3D or anything. It's just a basic charm. And when we do the stem, you can either use your loom or just use your hook. I'm using the hook though in this tutorial. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's all done, or done being loomed. Anyway, you're gonna take a green band and right on the side at the end, you're gonna slide that through. And then you're gonna grab it on your hook at the bottom, and then take it like that. It's gonna be like that. Then you can remove it from your loom, which is gonna be easy. It'll look like that. Stem. Now you can just, for this now I told you I'm using the hook. Just push it off. Do that. If you don't know how to do this on the hook, do it on loom, but most people know how to do it on the hook. 3 or 4 bands can be added. Now when you're done on your last one, if you like to use a C-clip, you can, but I'm going to leave it on the hook. To do the slip knot, all you have to do is take the back one, put it up, and pull. And then you have tied the slip knot. And that's what the finished one will look like when you're done. So I'm going to be making some more tutorials on charms, bracelets, and more. So subscribe to my channel, and bye!